Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Let's get started. 1. Design and build. Alright, first up, the design. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G, where CE stands for Core Edition, is designed to offer the core OnePlus experience at a more affordable price. And design-wise, it does a pretty good job. It's slim, just 7.9mm thick and weighing around 170 grams, making it one of the lightest phones in the OnePlus lineup. While the plastic back may not feel ultra-premium, it offers a solid, sturdy feel. The matte finish keeps fingerprints at bay, and the curved edges enhance comfort in hand. 2. Display. Now let's talk display. The Nord CE 5G features a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. That's smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and deep blacks, something you don't always get in this price range. Resolution is Full HD+, 2400 x 1080, and the display supports sRGB and DCI-P3 color profiles. So whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through your feed, it looks sharp and immersive. 3. Performance. The Nord CE 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, a mid-range processor with integrated 5G capabilities. It's paired with Adreno 6199 GPU, and you can choose between 6GB, 8GB, or even 12GB of RAM, depending on the variant. Storage options go from 128GB to 256GB, though there's no micro SD card slot, so choose wisely. In real-world use, it's snappy. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and light to moderate gaming runs well. Games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, or Asphalt 9 perform admirably on medium settings. 4. Cameras. Alright, camera time. The Nord CE 5G features a triple camera setup on the rear. 64mm main sensor, f1.79, 8MP ultra-wide, 119° field of view, 2mm mono lens. In daylight, the 64mm main shooter does a solid job. You get good dynamic range, accurate colors, and detailed shots. Night mode improves low-light photos, but don't expect pixel-level results. 5. Battery life. Now let's talk battery, and this is where the Nord CE impresses. It packs a 4500 mAh battery, and when it's time to charge, you've got Warp Charge 30T+, OnePlus's fast-charging tech. You can go from 0 to around 70% in just 30 minutes, and a full charge takes under an hour.